She's gonna die. She's probably gonna die. Oh! How does that make you feel?
Sharp like an edge of a samurai sword, the mental blade cut through flesh and bone. Don't my mind at peace, the word out of order missing.
What's going on, guys? Today we have another exciting video regarding a new Tamron lens, which is not necessarily new, but it's a 24-70mm lens. I got it for $900, which is typically like $1,200, so I got a good deal on it. There it is. She's already inspecting it. She's a little surprised how much it costed. Yeah, that's a surprise face. Just gonna jump right into it and check it out. So we got a fun-filled receipt, red tag camera. If you never heard of it, it's on eBay. Honestly, good deal, so trying to help some other photographers out. There she is. Looks pretty nice. This is the G2 model, generation 2. I've heard it's substantially better than the first one. The first one had a couple of issues that some people just did not like, so I hear it's definitely worth the upgrade to get. I have this lens for my new Nikon D850. I finally got one in. It takes forever to get one. If you try to get it from Amazon, it can take up to a few months because it's back ordered for forever, I feel like. I think it even came with a lens head too. Ooh, it did. How snazzy. Super schnash. Ooh. Got that boring stuff that nobody pays attention to. Ooh, there it is. Look at that bad boy. Get that plastic off. It's kind of terrible. Designed in Japan. There she is. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I've only done about 20 shutters of it so far. And we're going to try this baby out. So I recently just switched to Nikon, and I think it's the strangest thing that you turn it left to get the lens on and not right. So it's lefty tighty, righty loosey, which is kind of hard to wrap my mind around. So, and yes, I'm recording on a GoPro. I wanted to record with this, but you can't exactly record a video of something that you're reviewing. So, feels bad. Feels real bad. So automatically, looks like it's got a lock on it right there. So you can't actually change the focal length without turning the lock off. Looks like the autofocus is pretty awesome. Pretty quick. I mean, it's like instant. It takes half a second. It's amazing. So, let's take a picture here. You guys like that? Yep. We'll take a picture of it anyways. Aiden. Oh. He's gone. Okay. Well, so here we are in Lightroom. I just took straight up raw photos. I didn't edit them at all. Obviously my neighborhood's not the prettiest thing in the world, but just trying to get a feel of how the color depth is, sharpness, and how it performs with the new vibration control. What I've seen looks pretty good. That's my wife. She's pretty awesome. It's a wonderful face she's making. That sharpness is definitely there. It doesn't help that I don't have an Apple computer, so I don't have a high retina display, but still you can see all the outlines on there very well. Did a couple tests here. As you see, we're at 2.8 aperture. It's a little dark. As you can see, there is a little blurring in the edges there. That makes sense because it's 2.8 aperture, but really sharp though overall in the image. Image itself is awesome looking. Went ahead and jumped it all the way up to 8. Still a little teeny bit dark. Again, little blur in the edges. That's kind of typical of the third-party camera lens. Very, very sharp close up, right in the middle area. just in the corners, it looks like the sharpening drops just a little bit. Nothing that would make or break any kind of photo shoot. Obviously now we're hitting up way higher in the f-stop, or lower, if that's what you're gonna say. Still, yeah, I mean, the sharpness still looks overall really well. I will say I think the sharpness was a lot better, obviously, at f-stop 8. As you can see every little detail inside that brick. When you're at 16, obviously, it's definitely not there. Overall, I'm really happy with what I got here. I will probably take more time to take better photos when I can. This is actually probably my favorite picture of my wife here. And when I do that, I will update and I will let you guys have the raws so you can edit them and see how they work in Lightroom yourself. There we go, guys. This is the Legend 27 photo right here. This is how I'm gonna get to the big leagues right here. Big leagues, sign me up. So, yep, that kind of wraps it up. If you guys have any questions over the Tamron lens, please give me a holler with that. Again, I'm using the Nikon D850. It works exceptionally well with what I'm using my lens for. I will do a little more of a detailed explanation of this lens when I get to actually take better photos in a more pretty area. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. If you have any other questions about the lens, the D850, I'd happy to answer them. And peace out.
You feed me, and I'll take care of those guys for you.